Want to fix 95% of your physical problems without spending hours in the gym? Well, in today's video, we're going to show you 5 powerful exercises that target your biggest pain points, boost your mobility, and build strength, all in just a few minutes a day. Stay tuned until the end because I'll reveal a bonus exercise that's an absolute game changer for hip pain relief. One that's often overlooked but incredibly powerful. You don't want to miss it. Now, why these 5 exercises? Well, they aren't just random movements. They're foundational exercises that target the root causes of pain and mobility issues. Tight hips, a weak core, and poor posture are often the culprits behind most physical discomfort. By focusing on these compound and mobility-focused movements, you'll not only feel better, but also improve your strength, posture, and overall body mechanics. Whether you're an athlete, someone who works at a desk all day, or just looking to feel more balanced and pain-free, these exercises are for you. The first exercise is the dead hang, and it's as simple as it sounds. Just hang from a bar. But don't let its simplicity fool you. This exercise offers incredible benefits. Spinal decompression. If you spend long hours sitting or feel stiffness in your back, the dead hang helps counteract that by gently stretching your spine and reducing compression on the discs. Improved grip strength. Whether you're lifting weights or carrying groceries, grip strength is essential. This exercise directly strengthens your hands, wrists, and forearms. Shoulder mobility. It stretches and opens up your shoulders, improving their range of motion and helping to alleviate pain or tightness. How to do it? Grab a pull-up bar with your palms facing forward, keep your shoulders relaxed, and hang. Start with 15 to 30 seconds, and work up to 60 seconds over time. Aim for 3 sets. Think of this as the ultimate reset button for your spine and shoulders. It's especially great after a long day of sitting or heavy lifting. Next up, we have the Glute Bridge, a foundational movement for strengthening your posterior chain. But why is it so important? Glute activation. Weak glutes can lead to lower back pain, poor posture, and reduced athletic performance. The Glute Bridge targets and strengthens these muscles. Hip extension. Many people struggle with tight hips due to prolonged sitting. This exercise trains proper hip extension, improving your overall movement patterns. Core stability. By engaging your core to keep your body aligned, you're building stability and protecting your lower back. How to do it? Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Push through your heels to lift your hips, squeeze your glutes at the top, and lower slowly. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions for 3 sets. The Glute Bridge is a must-do for anyone who wants to reduce back pain, improve posture, and unlock stronger, healthier hips. The farmer's carry is deceptively simple, but incredibly powerful. You're literally walking while holding weights, but this movement targets multiple areas at once. Core stability. Walking while carrying heavy weights forces your core to stabilize your body, making it one of the best functional core exercises. Grip strength. Your hands and forearms are constantly engaged, improving grip strength, which is essential for other exercises and everyday tasks. Postural alignment. Carrying weights requires you to maintain a tall, upright posture, reinforcing good alignment and preventing slouching. How to do it? Hold a weight in each hand, like dumbbells or kettlebells, keeping your shoulders down and back. Walk with control for 30 to 60 seconds. Repeat for 3 rounds. This exercise is not just about strength, it's about real-world functionality. Whether you're carrying groceries or heavy bags, the farmer's carry prepares you for life. The resting squat is one of the most natural human positions, yet many of us have lost the ability to do it due to sedentary lifestyles. Let's bring it back. Hip mobility. Sitting deeply in a squat stretches your hip flexors and opens up your hips, reducing tension and increasing flexibility. Ankle flexibility. It also improves ankle dorsiflexion, which is essential for movements like walking, running, and squatting. Joint health. This position allows the knees, hips, and ankles to move through their full range of motion, promoting long-term joint health. How to do it? Lower yourself into a deep squat with your feet flat on the floor and your knees pushed out slightly. Try to keep your back straight and your chest lifted. Hold for 30 seconds to 2 minutes. If this feels challenging, use a support like a door frame or a counter to balance. Over time, your body will adapt, and this will feel natural again. Finally, we have thread the needle, an essential exercise for upper body mobility and relieving tension in the shoulders and back. Thoracic mobility. This movement targets the thoracic spine, which often becomes stiff from poor posture or long hours at a desk. Reduce tension. It stretches and relieves tension in the upper back, shoulders, and neck. Better posture. By improving mobility in the spine and shoulders, this exercise helps you maintain an upright posture. How to do it? Start on all fours. Slide one arm underneath your torso and let your shoulder rest on the ground. Hold the stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, then switch sides. Do 2 to 3 rounds on each side. This gentle twist is perfect for unlocking your upper body and resetting after a long day of sitting or working. Now that you know the exercises, let's combine them into a simple daily routine. This quick and effective workout can be done 3 times a week to improve your strength, mobility, and overall functionality. First, we start with dead hang, doing 3 sets of 30 seconds. Over time, you can increase this to 1 or 2 minutes. Next, we'll do Glute Bridge, performing 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Then we move on to Farmer's Carry, doing 3 sets while walking for 30 to 60 seconds. After that, we'll do Thread the Needle, 2 sets of 10 repetitions per side. And finally, resting squat, holding the position for 20 to 30 seconds for 2 or 3 sets. Make sure to rest for about 1 minute between sets to recover and maintain proper form. This routine takes just 10 to 15 minutes and targets all the major areas of your body, helping you build strength, improve mobility, and live a more pain-free life. The bonus exercise is the horse stance, a timeless movement rooted in martial arts and mindfulness practices. While it may look simple, it's a powerhouse for building lower body strength and stability. Let's dive into why it's so effective. Strengthens the lower body. The horse stance targets your glutes, quads, hamstrings, and even your calves, providing a complete lower body workout without the need for weights. Core engagement. Holding this position engages your core muscles to maintain balance and posture, improving overall stability and body control. Hip mobility and flexibility. By sitting low in this wide stance, you're gently stretching your inner thighs and opening up your hips, which is crucial for relieving hip tightness. Postural awareness. The stance encourages you to stand tall with your chest open and your back straight, which can help correct poor posture over time. Improved mental focus. Since it's a static hold, this exercise also builds mental discipline and endurance as you concentrate on maintaining proper form. How to do it? 1. Start by standing with your feet wider than shoulder width apart. 2. Point your toes slightly outward, around 45 degrees, to ensure your knees track over your toes. 3. Slowly lower your hips into a squat position as if sitting in an invisible chair. Keep your thighs parallel to the ground, or as close as your flexibility allows. 4. Engage your core, keep your back straight, and hold the position. 5. Begin with 20 to 30 seconds and gradually increase to 1 to 2 minutes as you build strength and endurance. Why it's perfect for hip pain relief. The horse stance opens up your hips while strengthening the muscles that support your pelvis. This combination makes it a powerful tool for alleviating hip pain caused by tightness or muscular imbalances. This exercise isn't just about strength, it's also about endurance and mindfulness. The focus required to hold the position can be meditative, helping you feel more connected to your body. There you have it. 5 essential exercises to fix 95% of your problems, plus a bonus exercise to supercharge your hip health. Remember, consistency is key. Try this routine for a few weeks, and you'll notice a dramatic difference in how you move and feel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little extra mobility and strength in their life. And let me know in the comments, which exercise was your favorite? Until next time, keep moving and take care.